Next, indefinite or quantitative determiners. Right? Indefinite because they are not definite. Quantitative as they tells about the quantity of nouns. So in indefinite determiners, we have numbers. Numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. So example, you can see 3 children are playing Ludo. So children is noun, and with this noun we are using 3 number, which is a determiner. Next, indefinite. In indefinite determiners only we have numbers, and next we have quantifiers. Quantifiers as they tell about quantity. Fine. So there are some, any, much, many, little, few, etc. So here we can see quantifiers. First, there are some and any. They are together because they mean same certain quantity. Now what's the difference? Some is generally used in affirmative sentences. You can see example here. There is still some milk in the jug. So it's an example of affirmative sentence. Any is used in negative and interrogative sentences. You can see the examples of both negative and interrogative here. There is not any sugar in the pot. It's an example of negative sentence. Have you any books on Western music? It's an example of interrogative sentence. Next, much and many. Much and many also means same. Means great in quantity or number. Now what's the difference? Much is used to refer to amount or quantity, while many is used to refer to a number. In other words, you can understand that much is used with uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns means which you cannot count. Many is used to refer to a number, means with countable nouns, means the nouns which you can count, the object which you can count. You can see example and then you will understand it better. There is much water. So what is water? It's a noun which is uncountable. You cannot count 1 water or 2 water, right? There are many children in the park. So children is a noun which you can count in number. There are 100 children, 1000 children, 10,000 children, whatever number is there, but you can count in numbers. So we will use many, right? All and both. All denotes to the total of many units together. Fine, when we are talking about all together. Both shows the total of 2 units together. You can see example, all the girls are good players. Both Virat and Rohit are great cricketers. So when we talk about 2, we use both. When we are talking about many units together, then we use all. Next, several and less. Many times as a synonym of many, but it's not exact synonym of many. Several means more than 2, but not many. Okay, and less is a smaller amount or quantity. So both are opposite. Examples, several letters arrived this morning. She pays less attention to her French classes. Less is also a comparative degree for little. So next, little, a little, the little, few, a few, the few. The use and the difference between little and few is the same as we saw in much and many. Means little is used with quantity, amount or quantity means uncountable nouns. While few, a few, the few, they are used with numbers means countable nouns. Okay. Now, what's the difference between little, a little, and the little, few, a few, and the few? So when we use little or few without any article, without a or the, then it means nothing. Fine. You can see first example. There is little water in this jug. It means hardly any. It's equal to negative, nothing. Same with few. When we say there are few children, means it's equal to nothing, hardly any. When we use are before little or few, then it means some. As little and few means some in amount or number. So it means some, but small amount. So there is something, there is existence of that noun is there. Same in case of few as well. And when we say the, when we use the before little and few, so it means all of that much, means whatever we have, whatever little quantity we have, that's here. So see the example carefully. She wasted the little water we had, means there in jug there was a little water, and that the little water she wasted. So all of that much. Then there are a few children in the park, means some but not many. But when we say there are the few children who come, these are the few children who come to park daily, it means that the few children are the only a few children who come to park daily. Getting?